we will learn how to change the style of the citations inside your Words document. Let's open a Word document first. Okay, I have already added some of the citations here. Now what I'm supposed to do just to change the style of these already added citations. Once I'll click on the EndNote option, here in this style portion, you have been given some of the options and you will have to select according to the format that you have been given for your references. Let's suppose I want to add the Chicago 17 footnote style. I will click on that and all the references will automatically be set into the Chicago 17 footnote style. And if I will want to go back into the numbered style, I will just have to click back again. Similarly, you can change or select other styles of the citations. Simple as that. And that's it for today's video.